let's talk seat belts. Previously, I had purchased some seat belts from Summit. There's the part number for you. Pretty nice seat belts. And it comes with the retractor, the second piece, I guess, and the hanger. They went in pretty easy because it came with adapter kit, but problem is they're too short. They would buckle, all that stuff, but my fat butt wasn't getting in the seat. So to remedy that, I bought some different ones. These ones are from Seatbelt Planet, and they're recommended on the Maverick forum there. So we'll take a look here. So these ones here are, if we can see that, part number there, 501-8910-7273 Ford Maverick seatbelts. However, mine is a 1970, so we shall see. All right. Two seatbelts, which is a good sign. And we got some hardware. And some belts. The sound of the camera there, done. So the main reason I got these have a hang down from the top. So that's, I believe, 8 inches. So that's going to be, 8 inches of belt up and 8 inches of belt down. That will help. Oh, by the way, those other seat belts were 103 inches long. These ones are 133. Plus they have the hang down. Buckle. I don't know if this is going to fit into the other one because I already have the other one buckled into the car. I already have this part through the seat already. No, they don't fit at all. Definitely different size tongues. All right. So anyway, so you've got the part that goes through the seat. You've got the retractor, and this retractor does look to be identical to the other one. So hopefully it has more webbing like they said it did. You got the hang down part where I looked at, and you got this part that goes here like that in the car. In case you weren't aware, the Maverick, at least the 70 Maverick, has 2 different size holes. The 2 holes down on the floor are a larger size than the single hole that is up for the hang down part of the seatbelt. So this is the bolts that came with the hardware we just got, and it fits the hole in the floorboard. This is the bolt that came with the other kit. It too fits the hole in the floorboard. But this is the bolt that goes above for the hanger strap. If you notice, it's much smaller. Well, not much, but it's smaller. So just be aware of that. All right, first thing we gotta do is put the lower belt on. This is the part that goes through the seat. So you can see here, I've fed it through the seat already. Let's make sure it's not twisted. I already have a hole cut in the carpet. Unfortunately, the hole's a little large now because I had to take the other seat belt out, and it kind of twisted the carpet up pretty bad taking it out. So, is what it is. Use one of the larger bolts. It goes down here. Start it in the hole. Flatten out the carpet as much as we can, and tighten it up. All right, now that that's good and snug, we'll move on to the hanger. I'll tell you what though, these carpets on these small 70 tunnels fit very well. I have to pad that or something. All right, now we're gonna do the top. You have to use the old bolt that was here because the new ones are too big in diameter. I hope that when I put it in here, that the plastic cover still closes. I hope it fits. Guess we'll find out. Now let's just do one. Alright, unfortunately the only bit I got that fits this is a 1/2-inch socket. They don't have a socket. All I got is a breaker bar. Well, I have a socket. It's just a piece of shit. I mean, junk. All right. Come on, you doofus. All right, that's gotta go that way. That's probably tight enough. And does the cap close? Of course, freaking not. For that, I'm gonna have to find out what thread that is and get a bolt with a regular head on it. But let's move on to the retractor. All right, let's work on the retractor. All right, so coming down from the seatbelt hanger, you got this. That obviously goes in the back. And then you got the seatbelt retractor. It goes in the front. And they both go through the one bolt. I'm not sure I need that nut, but I'll put it on there anyway. Okay. And the hole in the carpet. Now, last time, this was a pain in the ass to get started. Hopefully this time it goes a little better. All right, the answer is no, it didn't go any easier. The carpet backing keeps getting in the way, but I think I finally got it. Let's do this for about an hour. All right, so if I remember right, you want this retractor facing the back, and you want this metal bar here kind of going up towards your seatbelt. So kind of like that, I think. All right, do the last few tight downs. Snap your cover back on. Take out your weird orange thing. Which, by the way, I pulled the seatbelt all the way out and put the orange clip there to make it easier to get to the bolt. All right, so that is one seatbelt. So now let's see how it buckles. Okay, here it is from the outside of the car. Let's see the retractor. So now let's see if it buckles. As you can see, there's the other half of the buckle. So now we bring the retractor around. We slap that in there. And hopefully we still have plenty of room to get my fat Santa looking ass in there. So I think we're good.